So for our hospitality students, we have got our Live Works area, which is Saltbush Trading Restaurant. We're open to the public 4 times a week.
Well, I've enjoyed making the practical side of it, making the coffees and being behind the bar, making the drinks, because I want to open my own business and then get a job at a cafe and work my way up, manage it and everything so I can learn how to do it and open my own one.
Brielle has been an incredible student to watch grow. She had her goals of wanting to open a coffee shop or a business of her own, but she wasn't quite sure how to get that. To be working with Brielle for the last 6 months, particularly in a Live Works environment such as Saltbush, and pushing her to interact with customers has seen her confidence grow to be able to get that genuine feedback from customers on her growth and her performance has meant a world to her as well.
Been good, everyone's been friendly and helpful. It was a better experience here because when we started, no one knew each other, but we kind of came together as a team and made friends with everyone.
I think people have that false belief that it's just carrying plates or it's just making coffee, but there's so much more behind those skills as well. It's understanding your customers, it's changing it from just providing a service into providing an experience for your guests, to be able to walk into your workplace every day and be really proud of the environment and excited to have such great facilities.
Yeah, I would feel comfortable working at a cafe or a bar after doing the work experience here.
They really do thrive on that real life situation that we provide.